All right, so let you know what roof I'm on. The homeowner's roof. There's his vehicles. All right. Be very gentle, very gentle. As you can see by me breaking this seal, look at this. This will never seal again. You can see right here that it tore the shingle. Once again, look, this would not seal back down, and there's a hole. Look, there's a hole in that shingle. You know, I'm gonna stop right here because at this point we just causing more damage to the roof. All right, and it's widespread wind damage and making this roof non-repairable. One, excessive mat transfer, and not just mat transfer, tears, gouges is out in the hole. Same thing, this thing would not, it's non-repairable. I'm gonna still try to take a sample to see if the shingle is even available. All right.